Hi all, thanks for joining. So today we are going to pull one of the powerful tool LLM Tiny Llama into the Postman, and we will see the various use cases of it, and let us dive in. So I have already set up in my Perform setup in my end for Docker desktop, and today's session we are going to do with Docker Desktop Connect plus Olama plus Tiny Llama plus along with we can call large language model in the Postman. So in this model, let me give you a overview. I have already downloaded the Docker desktop, and then I have pulled the Olama. If you have still doubt on it, I will link the my previous videos. You can go through it. It will be in the it will be a very detailed explanation how you can download it and how can you pull the Olama into it. So Olama can be pulled from it is a platform. It can be pulled directly from the Docker. You can configure it, or you can configure through VS Code. And once this is done, and you make sure your system is running, and you can see here for me it is running here, and it's already I have configured unless I manually stop it. So once that is done, you can run the Olama, and then once Olama is done, next phase is to download the Postman. So Postman is a free tool. So whatever we are learning like a secure environment along with free tools. So Docker Desktop is giving a secure and like very secure private network within when you can try various containers and keep your various applications and which will communicate with each other. So currently we have started with Olama, and we'll pull the Tiny Llama, and then we'll start with Postman. So before that, Postman is an open source tool. Navigate to its official site, and from there you can download 64-bit based on your system requirement. You should download, and once you download, my system is 64-bit, so I have downloaded it. Once you download, then we just double click on it, and it will ask for running. It will take some time. Quickly, it is very small package. It will run easily, and it will install. Once you installed, basically then you right hand side, if you see, this is the Postman, and you will be able to set up the Postman. I'll give you an overview on that. So let me navigate to Postman now. So I have already installed here my Postman. I have already installed. Let me quickly open. And here we go. Yeah, let me refresh it out quickly. No, not this one. Postman I need. Postman, it is not searching. Let me quickly go to the desktop. Is it open in mind? Yes, it is open, and will be here. Quickly I'll start it out. No, I don't need that. So it is not rendering actually, so we can try it out once more time. Postman is here. Let me quickly refresh the filters. Once I filter it out, it will be okay. Quickly close. Yes, this is my, if you see, it was behind the screen and I was looking for it. Okay, I have already installed the Postman, and if you see while installation, it will ask you to give you various logins through which you can log in into your Apple account, your Google account, or any email. You can create it and try it out. What I did, I have a Gmail account, I have just a free account, and I log in into it. So if you see left side, my collections are there, various other features. It is a very powerful tool. It is giving environmental variable setups, it is history, can remember, flows are there, and also in the Postman, agents are also available for us. Let's next session sometime we'll explore it out. So if you see left side is my collection. I have configured for this session especially 3 to 4 APIs calls, and I'll give you an overview, then we'll get started along with that. And if you see first method here, I have selected, and here your APIs, this portion, your APIs will be configured. As you know, Olama is configured on 11434 port, and it is locally hosted. It is hosted in my local premises. Those information, whatever I'll do, it will be within my system and it will not bypass the firewall. And this is the method. There are various methods, supports are there. Get method, post method. Get means you are getting the informations, and post method means you based on your requirement you are posting and you are querying that from the large language model. So before that you can pull the tiny llama in your command prompt, like olama pulls tiny llama, simple command, and just hit enter and it will give you the result. So let me show you how I did it. Sorry, this is not the one. This is the one I have already in the VS Code. I have already pulled. If you see Olama pulls tiny llama, it has already given me the writing the manifesto, and it is success. Okay, so this success is done. So you can see I have already pulled it out. So let me quickly navigate to our Postman. So this is Postman where we are doing. Today we will learn various use cases. Technically, non-technically, AI is touching everybody's life. So more or less today's session we will run parallelly, mix and match with the looking into the use cases that everyone can do. Either you are writing a running a company, or you are a personal blogger, or you are a traveler, or you are a professional. Basically this channel is tech simplified, so I am trying to provide a technology where we are calling through a large language model how can we achieve personally a blogger, or we can try a professional code, and various use cases will do through API calls. So API part, technically professional people can relate to it, and non-technically we can today's session we learn how professionally we can give some of the refined prompts and we can get the output of it. Let us quickly navigate to, and if you say here first prompt I have given get query, and in this get query I have given if Olama is running or not, we are checking it out. So here if you see it has given 200 response, and if it is not working or it is stopped, you will get various HTTP error codes, either 500 series internal errors or something like that. Authentication not there, but here authentication issues and outcomes 500 series or 400 series is bad request. So that we'll learn later on. Today's session will go for happy paths. So request successfully and it is done. So next navigate to the next one where we are learning post. Post means you are giving a your request, the prompts in a body with a JSON format. Here we are using JSON. There are many formats are there based on your requirement in the project. You can give JavaScript, JSON, HTML or XML, but I am using JSON. And JSON, if you see, I have already started Tiny Llama, and Tiny Llama you give model, and this is system. We are telling him you are a assistant and help me in the prompt is give me a precise fitness list for a day, 2 day, week. For a week you can ask for a month, and you see how beautifully it has given you. Wake up early, get enough sleep, 7 hours, exercise and all this stuff. You can do dumbbell lifting, people will love it, and you do jogging, cycling. You can see the same thing, whatever your requirement, it has given very beautifully in the response. And this is a example or prompt for we have taken a common use case so that everybody can use in their systems. And AI is already in everyone's life. If you are carrying a small mobile, in that it is already there. In your WhatsApp it is there. You just use this prompt and get your things done at your pace, and you can easily get. And non-technical things, use cases we can try. This is the one of them. And technical point of view, whenever we come, we can here give like various use cases we can try. And let me give one more example, then we comes to what professionally will try. And today's session will keep some light, will not get into the details. Here is ending. So here I have taken another example, and here API is API generate. So the API is generate, and here post HTTP method, and here I have given share me top 10 newses from the world. So straightforward, in your chat box you can write also, same response will come. And if professionally, what we can do, suppose you are a blogger and you are maintaining a blog post, you can connect to your Gmail and you can pass this response to your Gmail and your web page. And suppose you have a chatbot and you are giving newses, you are providing a information to user through your web page or through your chatbots or various information along with that. This response you can programmatically orchestrate and pass the response to the as per your requirement in the project for your web page, so that others can view it out. So I have asked top 10 wild news in the business, and he has given Apple has done this, Nestle has done new pots, launches a new, Amazon launches flexible work arrangement programs for their employees. Beautiful, beautiful, very beautiful. And top 10 news on your hand. And next we can try one more API that is called chat. Here if you see, I have given a nested query in a body. And Tiny Llama model, and I'm telling you are a content writer, system content, you are a expert content creator, and short post on the top 10 places to visit during Christmas. This is Christmas Eve, we are very near to it. So basically most of the peoples may want to go on holidays and they want a affordable hotels, good foods, good wine, good mood, and enjoy. So suppose you have a site and you want to dynamically provide information about the person querying you and the number of users hitting. You can increase your traffic, because this time definitely increase traffic because people usually go for holidays and they have many queries like weathers, travel plans, foods, hotels, traveling buses, flight tickets, and all this. So in this, what we can do, basically this we can transfer to our website where people can ask the questions and you can get the response. So here you can see it is giving topmost head to the affordable budgets, seasons, top 10 places, first Tamponi, then Greece, and then Asian, panoramic view, then is in Sapa, Vietnam. Awesome, because usually people go for this sort of questionnaires and their queries. So here you can see we have got our beautiful queries, and along with that LLM also suggesting this is a fairy tale style experience, head to the scenery alpine region of Bavaria, Austria, and it is giving the along with that it is providing the foods details and the sceneries, unforgettable winter gateway. You can all this information it is providing. It is very beautiful, and Switzerland also it is suggesting, and you see top 10 as per our query it has given. So it is a very powerful model, Tiny Llama, and we have seen orchestration today along with Postman. So what are the today's use cases we have learned professionally? Let's start with first one. Like we have learned use cases. It can give you a fitness plan for your daily life. If you are a blogger, or you are a traveler, or you are a blogging, and so it will help you and your touches your life, this AI, everywhere and anywhere, and it is very helpful. And professionally it is helping by, suppose you are monetizing, you are running a company, or you have a business. So in this way, if you are based on your requirements, you can design your API, and Ollama has provided your APIs for this Tiny Llama, and to query the large language models, and from these large language models we can do a orchestration of programming orchestration, and we can get the results into our website chatbots, and we can monetize it out. So this is very powerful LLMs. Today I tried with Tiny Llama. You can try with the free models whatever available with Ollama, like DeepSeek, Llama, Phi3. So it is basically a buffet of technologies on your tip. You can try it out. That's it from tonight. This is Swarna signing off. If you are like it, please give me a thumbs up, and do share with your friends, and if consider for candidate subscription. And wish you all my viewers a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thank you. Sona signing off. Thanks for your support.